Podcast script: The Resilient Garden: How to Future-Proof Your Vegetable Patch in 2025. In 2025, the garden is no longer just a relaxing hobby. It has become a symbol of resilience, independence, and sustainable living. With global concerns ranging from climate change to rising food prices, more people are turning to their backyards, balconies, or even kitchen counters to grow food. The modern garden is smarter, more adaptable, and more creative than ever before. And you don't need acres of land or professional farming tools to be part of this revolution. The first step in future-proofing your garden is to understand your microclimate. With shifting weather patterns, what once worked 5 years ago may not work today. You need to observe your garden space closely. When it gets the most sunlight, where wind patterns hit, how water drains after rain. Then, select climate-resilient crops. In 2025, top picks include cherry tomatoes, kale, okra, amaranth, and sweet potatoes. These plants have shown better resistance to temperature fluctuations and require less water. Raised beds and container gardens are trending because they give you more control over soil quality and drainage. Use lightweight, breathable containers with coconut coir and compost mixes for optimal results. Soil health is now center stage. The global gardening community in 2025 is obsessed with the living soil approach instead of chemical fertilizers. Home gardeners are using compost teas, worm castings, and fermented plant juices. These organic amendments feed not just the plants, but the billions of beneficial microbes in the soil. A thriving soil microbiome makes your garden more disease-resistant and boosts crop yields. Cover cropping is another rising star in this movement. Fast-growing plants like clover or buckwheat are planted off-season to protect and enrich the soil. Even small-space gardeners are experimenting with micro-cover crops in their pots and beds. No modern garden is complete without smart planning. Companion planting, once a traditional method, is now digitally optimized. Apps can help you map out plant combinations that deter pests and boost productivity. For example, basil planted with tomatoes enhances flavor and deters insects. Marigolds around the bed edge ward off nematodes. Vertical gardening is also hot in 2025, whether it's tiered planters, trellis walls, or hanging grow bags. Using vertical space helps you maximize yields in small areas. Intercropping techniques are getting creative too. Fast-growing lettuce is tucked between slower crops like cabbage, doubling the harvest from a single space. Finally, kitchen fermentation is booming, with pickled beans, kimchi-style greens, and lacto-fermented carrots becoming household staples. Seed saving is also back in style. Gardeners are creating their own seed banks, swapping heirloom seeds online, and preserving biodiversity one garden at a time. Recycled materials are being repurposed into planters, trellises, and even mini greenhouses. Every element of the garden reflects a commitment to sustainability and circular living.